Now, morning, I haven't made this in a while. A few of my friends on Facebook make it, and it's a quiche with crushed cheese and eggs. So that's what I'm having for a kind of brunch today because I got up late again. I don't know why I need so much sleep lately. But anyway, in here is a tub of fat-free cottage cheese and 3 eggs. And I've just prepared my little tin. And in it, you can see I've used some fry light and then greased it all. And I've chopped up one slice of bacon medallion. I've got a little bit of fresh thyme in there, onion, which is actually a shallot, and red pepper. I'm just going to pop that in the oven for 5 minutes to cook a little bit before I put the quiche topping in. So there you go. I've transferred it to a bowl just so I can season it, and I've got fresh thyme in there and some of the chili garlic salt that I like. I'll give it a stir, and I did add a bit more garlic, about half a teaspoon. So that's all ready. Looks really creamy and lovely to go on top of the bacon. So the bacon and veg were cooked for about 6-7 minutes, and I've grated up 1 Baby Bell Light, and I've made a little extra on there, and I've still got some mixture left, so maybe half a pot with a quarter of a pot with 1 egg, or half a pot with 2 eggs might have been enough. So just going to sprinkle some cheese on there. So it's just 1 point for the cheese. There you go. And the remaining mixture, I'm going to mix cheese in it and try something a little bit different with that in a different mould. So it's nice to have a bit of a leftover because it means I can experiment a little bit further. So those are going in now for about another 15 minutes until they've risen up, and I've got the oven on at 180. So they've done, and they're kind of beautiful colour, and they did rise up quite a little bit more than that. Because I've left them to cool, they've gone down a bit, but that's okay. So I've got a couple of tomatoes, well 1 tomato to take the half cooking in the pan, and that's my brunch. I'm just going to pop it onto a plate. Absolutely scrumptious.